Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Here we are comparing two flagship smartphones, Sony Xperia 5 Mark V and Google Pixel 7 Pro. Let's find out which mobile phone is best for you. First, compare the body features. Display features. Sony Xperia 5 Mark V offers 6.1 inches OLED display, and Google Pixel 7 Pro offers 6.7 inches LTPO AMOLED display. Let's move to the hardware features. Camera features. Xperia 5 Mark V come with two rear cameras, wide and ultra-wide, and Pixel 7 Pro come with three rear cameras, wide, telephoto and ultra-wide. Let's compare the battery features. Both the phones come with 5000 mAh batteries. Next, compare the price and other features. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.